What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. I have another batch of clothes to show you guys. Very cute things. Also, I watched back some of my other Fashion Nova videos and just some of my other videos in general, and I have come to the conclusion I talk way too damn much. So I'm gonna really try in this video to like get through the clothing a little bit quicker and maybe talk a little bit less. Like, we don't need the side stories, am I right? Anyways, as always with my videos, I leave all the good information down below. I will have everything I talk about today linked below as well. Also, my Instagram will be linked below if you guys would like to follow me there. And without further ado, let's just get into it. My hauls lately have been just filled with sweaters, and I got a few. I got a couple maybe, but not nearly as many as the last couple of hauls. So let's start it off with a sweater though. This yellow is absolutely unreal. I love this color. It is so beautiful. It's just a cropped little sweater, button up, the most beautiful yellow color you'll ever see. Very soft knitted material, very stretchy. Got it in a 3X. I saw on their website a couple camo pieces, so I picked a couple up. The first one is this oversized camo t-shirt, and it's made of like a really like soft, very stretchy material. I just love it. Super comfortable, nice to throw on with some yoga pants or something. Got it in a 3X, and it's just an oversized tee. The next top that I got is also camo, but this one is more of a tighter fit. It's more of like a fitted top. It does have ruching on either side. It is long sleeve, and it has this open neckline you guys will see in the try on portion that I freaking love. I think these would be so cute with like some brown oversized baggy cargos. I just think it would be so freaking cute. So love it, got it in a 3X, and the fit was great. I feel like I have a lot of white tanks, but none with a cute little lacy detailing, so I picked this one up. It is a white cropped tank. They also have this, I think, in 2 other colors on the website, but I chose white. I feel like I always pick black, so I'm trying to, like, you know, just branch out a little. And who can't use a white tank, am I right? So pick this up in a 3X, and it is made of a stretchy ribbed material. Then I got this really long, colorful cardigan. I saw, here we go getting with the stories, but I just have to tell you. I saw someone get out of the car at Target about 2 weeks ago in the city I live in with a cardigan. I won't say it's similar, maybe it is similar. It was similar colors, but it was almost like a patchwork cardigan, and I just am dying to know where she got that from. I'm obsessed with it, and I just replay it over and over again in my head, and I'm like, why didn't I get out of the car and ask where she got it from? It was so cute. So this one kind of reminded me of it, I guess just the colors of it, but living for it. Made of a very soft knitted material. It is stretchy. No buttons or anything, it's just an open cardigan, and I picked it up in a 3X. I got a couple pink things in this haul because Valentine's Day is coming up. So the first thing was this pink cardigan with a pink striped, I don't know if you can tell, but that is a light pink and white striped collar, and really just detailing like down the buttons. The end of the sleeves have that same fabric as well. Just thought it was kind of cute, maybe to throw on over that like lacy white tank top. Got it in a 3X, and it is not stretchy. Then I got this pink and white cardigan with really beautiful gold buttons going down the front. Also has 2 pockets. This one is also very stretchy, very soft. This one on me, the buttons were pulling a little bit, but I feel like if you're smaller than me and you get a 3X, you'll be fine. But what I'm saying, I guess, is maybe go up a size so the buttons won't pull. I am pretty much a 3X just in everything. So because this is more of a fitted sweater, I think that's why the buttons were pulling. So size up if you don't want those to pull, unless you're just gonna wear this open anyway, but I think it's really cute with the buttons, like having it buttoned. I was really excited for this jacket because I've always wanted like a quilted looking jacket. And this one was so pretty. It's just brown and floral, but I don't think I realized it was like a bomber style jacket. I'm just not a huge fan of bomber jackets on me personally. Why am I like way over here? I don't know. Okay. I'm not a huge fan of bomber jackets on me personally, but I actually did not hate this one. It is still really cute, and I'm for sure going to wear it. I just wish it wasn't a bomber jacket, but I got this in a 3X. It's not stretchy, and it is lined with like a silky, non-stretchy material. Oh yeah, and the zipper is gold. Okay, I got a 2-piece set, and this is like a gray acid wash type of look. Little crop top with embroidered hearts. I don't know if you can tell that these are embroidered. And then the matching sweatpants. And these are wide-legged sweatpants. It has one heart on the front, and then the back has hearts going down both legs. I thought that was so cute. Like, what? I just love it. Drawstring, really thick waistband that I love, and the sweatpants have pockets. Such a cute outfit just to throw on casually, run errands, especially next month, Valentine's Day. But got this set in a 3X, and I thought the fit was literally perfection. Another 2-piece set in this beautiful green color, green and white. I just love this green. This is the sweater. It's made of like the softest material. It does have a collar and more of a V-neck line. And the bottom of it has a slit on either side, as you guys can see there. And then the pants are, once again, same material, very, very stretchy. Has a little bit more of a wide leg. And they're just so comfortable, honestly. Got this set. I got this set in a 3X, and I thought the fit was wonderful. Okay, this next set, I just love. Like, seriously. Like, will I be running errands on the weekends in this? Yes, I will. It is navy blue, white, and red, and it is a hoodie. And I'm not typically a fan of hoodies. I like a good crew neck. I just feel like I feel like I'm choked out every time I wear a hoodie. But this is like a very lightweight hood. I don't know, I just love it. Very oversized sweatshirt. And then it comes with the matching sweatpants. Drawstring, navy blue, really deep pockets, and right here on the leg it says NYC 1995. So this set is super sporty and really cute. Also got it in a 3X. Okay, my last 2-piece set is this one. I've always wanted one of these like little vest looking tops. So 1000% gonna wear this, like probably with different pants. But I wanna show you guys the fabric. Like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but there's all these speckles of different colors within the white and black. I'm really hoping you can see that. But it is so cute, and this material is really stretchy. The pants are the exact same material, and they're just wide leg pants. Now, I don't know. I do like them, and they're comfortable. I just feel like it's just a lot of the same like pattern, I guess. But it is a very comfortable and cute set. Got it in a 3X, and I really do like it a lot. I don't know, maybe I'll wear these two things like separately. All right, last item are a pair of cargos, and it's like a brown, it almost has a hint of like a burgundy type of a color. And these are really equipped with some pockets, let me tell you, like pockets and strings and buckles like everywhere. I mean, we got pockets on the back. We have all these like random like strings, but I love these, and they actually fit. I couldn't even believe it. These are a stretchy denim, which is nice. I picked them up in a 3X, which I think is a 22. I swore on the website it said 22. It just says 3X on the tag, but I really think it was a 22. Okay, the only thing that I don't like about these jeans is that the pockets on the inside are white. So because they're stretched, they go like this, and then you can see just two big old white pockets on either side of me, which bums me out. It should have been the same color as these pants. It's not the biggest deal in the world, but I just wish, you know, why? Just why? But I do love them. They fit great. They're very comfortable, and I cannot wait to rock these. So that was everything that I got from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them for me down below. Don't forget to check that description box for all the good things, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.